Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dave and I am coming back to you for this week's Medical Minute. So a question I'm asked all the time is, Dr. Dave, how much water should I be drinking every day? Now, as simple as a question as that sounds, it's actually very complicated. All right, so for our discussion, I'm going to assume that you watching me right now do not have a weak heart, kidney failure, liver failure, otherwise in pretty good health. So in general, most organizations will recommend men drinking approximately 15 cups or 8-ounce cups of water a day. Women in the range of 11, 11 and a half. Sounds like a lot, but especially during the summer here in New York, it's been very hot lately. We want to make sure that we're keeping up with our fluid intake. In fact, if you wait until you're thirsty, you've lost about 2% of your water volume. So you don't want to wait until you're thirsty. Another quick trick that I use, and I find it's very helpful, is looking at your urine. So if your urine is clear, it's light, for the most part, there's a pretty good chance you're hydrated. If your urine is concentrated or dark yellow, then there's a very good chance that you're dehydrated. So some tricks I use to stay hydrated is I always have a water bottle nearby, and I always try to pay attention to my urine, the color. If it's darker, I increase my water. If it's clear, I know I'm doing okay. And we can also have seltzer. You just don't need to drink water. You can drink seltzer. But remember, you need to pay attention to your body, and also you need to assess like what's going on. Are you exercising? Are you not eating much or drinking much? Is it hot out? Are you sweating a lot, etc.? So when it comes to drinking water, listen to your body, and just make a conscious effort to try to drink at least, I would say for everyone, 10 cups or glasses, I should say, of 8 ounces. I think that's practical. 15 is tough, 11 and a half is tough, but do the best you can. Okay, guys. So anyway, that's my 1 minute on how much water should I drink. Until next time, this is Dr. Dave.